What's up mga?
It's like that.
So karon guys no, sugdan na namo tong English challenge pero karon lahi among himuon. Nani twist. Samtang mangukay mi sa Valencia City Bukidnon kay pag English challenge me and tanawa mo attire. Tanawa mo attire. Nakatoksido mi men. So, mangukay mi nga nakatoksido nga mag-English.
Yeah.
So, tanawa sa among attire no. So guys, now we will start the English challenge and now we are going to grab some Uber. Tagal lang Uber natin ah. Alright, hinahanap na namin yung Uber. We are now going to start the English challenge. The English of the challenge is the start of the new challenge. Let's go, let's go! So guys, now here we are in Valencia City Bukidnon.
Valencia City Bukidnon, Valencia City Market.
If you are tingala why we are wearing this, because we are very so ulaw here man, and I don't want to get so very ulaw, so many kaila here man, and so very saba man. Where are we going man?
Stay there.
Stay there. So we are now going to have some ukay-ukay here man. There's so many ukay-ukay here. So guys, so now we are going to transfer kay it's so very saba there and you know
Zero batik.
and there's no ukay-ukay there man. It's so ugly man. I don't like it there man. And we pretend now that we are from America. Alright, let's go. Let's ask there. Let's ask these people who English, alright. Alright, let's go. So last time I was with my stepmother and I was like, oh damn, stepmother. Oh my god. They are looking at us man and I'm so very proud because they are looking at us and we are so very
amazing and very prouding.
I am coviding. Guys, we are going to look for ukay-ukay and this is very cool man because I came from America and there's no ukay-ukay there. Yeah. Don't put it in my eyes. So guys, I'm gonna buy this. This is worth 130.
150 is the last. Lagot mo.
So guys, we are now going to Jasper Henry, and we are going to eat because
My
you know
stomach is so dry na.
we are so very gutom now and it's a very quiet here around the place. I don't know what I'm saying, man.
Yeah.
It's a very ulaw here, man. It's a very gutom. Can't you see this? All the stores here. There's so many plastics all
I
around.
am Captain Malk.
So we are going to eat with the social distancing technique. All right, let's go. Oh my god, what was that? So guys, we are still here now and the people are watching us and I don't care, man. We don't care.
We don't care anymore.
So we are going to eat. Yeah, subscribe, man. Subscribe. All right, let's go now. There's so many bashers over there. I don't like it, man. Shut up mo mukha mo. So mangaon sa mi guys, ug Bisaya sa ta kay mangaon naman to. Unya na butang balik og English inig din na ta mangaon. So guys, na si Idol. So guys, we are done eating now. So we are going to our new place called the Place of the Youth. We are here in Central, Valencia City Central School. You know, isolated person.
Mean the PUI person dyan.
The PUI and the PUM and the PUJ and the PUB, public bus and the public jeep. We are here in the plaza or the something like this.
Oh, my fountain.
And the oval is right there.
Yeah.
It's right there, yo. And we are here in front of the oval. There's a car, man. Oh my god, there's a car! It's my first time to see a car. It's my first time to go out. That's the feeling when you first time to go out in here and after the quarantine period of time, after 6 months of 6 years. What is this? What is this? Tae. It's tae. So now, today we're just going to visit our friend in the next neighborhood. Let's go. It's so very in it here, man. So now we are going to...
Well, our friend, beloved friend that do not enter to the house.
We are going to the do not enter of the house of our beloved friend of the heaven. So as you can see, wala na tayong mask. Oh, wait, Tagalog, man. We don't speak Now we are going to cross this bridge. Bridge of Doom. Oh, the Bridge of Doom. So guys, we are going to cross this bridge of darkness. Oh, there's so many pato over there. Oh, shit.
Don't flank. I'm so wet, I'm so tired.
So this is the place. This is the place where the wrong turn is.
This is the bamboo singer.
The bamboo singer. Alright. This is the bamboo singer branch 2. That's so big. That's a big hole. We are here entering the seashore of the pyramid of the seashore.
We are going to Parapata.
We went to ukay-ukay with our tuxedo and
We
that's
went to Buyaks, the white pot.
you can see here that's the desert of the Sahara Desert. Alright. So guys, there's a birthday here in this house. We want to eat there, but we don't know the people there. But we are going. We just agi-agi there para so they can tawag-tawag us to eat.
Yes.
Alright. Let's agi.
Eating mammals.
That's a birthday. We want to agi-agi there to eat the birthday.
Yo, what's up,
Yo,
bro?
what's up? What's
Yo,
up?
what's
Hey,
up? What's
this is
up,
our friend. This is our friend. This is
Yeah,
our friend.
boy, what's
Alright,
up?
let's
Yeah,
go.
Bagayan niya.
This is Pilayo from Bagangan Bros.
Yeah, bro. What's up?
Let's go.
Ginagamit mo sa laptop mo, gagamit mo ginagamit.
Sa cellphone ako ga-edit man. Para sa tag-editor.
Pagkakatapusan mo magpalit ng phone, you know.
Yeah, that's so great,
so-
man.
What the fuck? That's so cool, man.
We are here chilling with the squad. So guys, as you can see, I am here and our friend to the other side of the moon's house. And later we are going to continue the ukay-ukay, alright?